Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake from oats. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You'll also need 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Prepare your baking pan by greasing and lightly flouring it. Now let's mix everything. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the rolled oats, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, and vegetable oil. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to bake. Pour the cake batter evenly into your prepared baking pan. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, your delicious oat cake is ready. The aroma will be wonderful. Once baked, let your oat cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you move it. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents it from becoming soggy. Once fully cooled, slice and serve your homemade oat cake. It's a delightful treat, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.